Learning to Nishmas Etta Ahuva by Maseches Shevuos Perek Aleph Mishna Daled. So in Mishna Beis we learned about the Sa'ar Bifnim on Yom Kippur is Mechaper on Yediyah B'tchila, and in Mishna Gimel we learned that the Sa'ar Bachutz is Mechaper on a case where there's a Yediyah B'Soif. This Mishnah talks about a case that there was there was no Yediyah at all, and the Gemara and there's going to be 4 shitas, 3 in Mishnah Daled and a 4th shita in Mishnah Hay. So the first shita is Sar Regalim and Sar Rish Chodesh Mechaper Divrei Rabbi Yehuda, that both the Sar Regalim and Sar Rish Chodesh is Mechaper. And the Gemara learns this out because the pasuk by Rish Chodesh says Sar Rish Chodesh Lechates LaHashem. We darshan it's a chet she'im makar by Ela Hashem. There was no Yediyah loy b'tchila v'loy b'seif, so it's a chet she'im makar Ela Hashem. And on that we say that it's mechaper, and the Gemara says it's not referring to other averis, it's referring to Tumas Mikdash U'Kedoshav, because we say Hayil v'zeba b'zman kavua, meaning the Sar Yom Kippur of the Chitzim, v'zeba b'zman kavua, and we darshan ma ze'im mechaper ela Tumas Mikdash U'Kedoshav. So to on Rish Chodesh it's only mechaper on the Tumas Mikdash U'Kedoshav, so it's referring to this case. So that's the Shita Rabbi Yehuda, and we won't say the rest of the drashas, but basically Rabbi Shimon and Rabbi Meir, and the 4th Shita in the next mission, Rabbi Shimon Yehuda, Rabbi Shimon, they all learn out of drashas. So Rabbi Shimon Yomi, the second Shita is that it's not both, not the Sar Regalim and the Sar Rish Chodesh, rather only the Sar Regalim is mechaper on this case. Avaloi Sar Rish Chodesh, Alma Sar Rish Chodesh mechaper, rather he holds the Sar Rish Chodesh is mechaper for Tahar Shahachal Es Hatame, if he ate Basar Kodesh. Rameir Yomi, the third Shita is Kol HaSeirin Kaparasan Shava Al Tumas Mikdash U'Kedoshav. He holds that all the Seirim, their kapara is the same, and that's Sai for a Yediyah B'Saif, Sai for Imba Yediyah Loi B'Tchil V'Loi B'Saif, and Sai for Tahar Shahachal Es Hatame. All the Seirim are the same. So now the Mishnah just takes a pause and goes back into the second Shita, Reb Shimon, and it summarizes it again. Reb Shimon Yomi Sar Rish Chodesh is mechaper al Tahar Shachal Satamei, and the Shel Regalim is mechaper al Shem B'Yediyah Loi B'Tchil V'Loi B'Saif, and Shel Yom Kippur, which was Mishnah Gimel, is mechaper al She'im Ba Yediyah B'Tchila Aval Yesh Ba Yediyah B'Saif. Amruloi, so they asked him, Ma'u She'ikarvu Zeh B'Zeh. If you lost the Sar that was Hufish L'Yom Kippurim and it was Neschaper with another one, and now you found it, so could you bring it l'shem this? So on that Amar Lahem, so he told them Yikruvu, you could bring it. Amar Loi, they said to him, Hoyel ve'in kaparasan shava heich kraven zeh b'zeh. And like the Rav explains, this is Rameir talking, because Rameir holds, I hold, like me, it would make sense what you're saying, that Kol Seir and Kaparas and Shava, so therefore you could be Makriv Zeh B'Zeh. But according to you, that each one has its own purpose. Reb Shimon Shita was that if it's Yesh Ba Yediyah B'Soif, Mishnah Gimel, that's the Sar Bachutz. And if it's Ein Ba Yediyah Loi B'Tchil V'Loi B'Soif, that's Dafka the Sar Regalim. And Tar Shachal Satame is Dafka the Sar Rish Chodesh. So each one has its specific thing. So how could one be mechaper on the next, in the case where it was Avad? Amar Lahem, Kulam Ba and Mechaper Al Tumas Mikdash U'Kedoshav. Because at the end of the day, in this aspect, they're all the same, that they're all coming to be mechaper on Tumas Mikdash U'Kedoshav. Mishnah Hay is the 4th Shita, Reb Shimon ben Yehuda, Emer Mishmai, he says, B'Shem Reb Shimon, that Sar Rish Chodesh Mechaper Al Hatar Sha'achal Es Hatamei. He holds that the Sar Rish Chodesh is mechaper on Tar Sha'achal Es Hatamei. But besides the Sar Rish Chodesh, that part Reb Shimon said also, he holds that there's 2 other things that are mechaper on this, and the way it works is, you'll see in a second, Ma'asav Haleim Shel Regalim, he holds that the Regalim is also mechaper on this, is mechaper on Tar Sha'achal Es Hatamei, but you add on it that it's also mechaper Hashem B'Yediyah Loi B'Tchil V'Loi B'Saif, which was the last Mishnah. And then he holds not only that, there's a third thing also, it's mechaper on Tar Sha'achal Es Hatamei. Ma'asav Haleim Shel Yom Kippurim, the Sar Bachutz, is mechaper on Tar Sha'achal Es Hatamei, and on what it said in the last Mishnah, Al She'im Ba Yediyah Loi B'Tchil V'Loi B'Saif, and on what it said in Mishnah Gimel, She'im Ba Yediyah B'tchila v'yesh Yediyah B'soif. So the Yom Kippur is going to be mechaper on three things. The Sar Regalim is going to be mechaper on two things, and the Sar Rish Chodesh is only mechaper on Tar Shachas Atame. So now we have the same exact Shakratarya as we had in the last Mishnah between Rameir and Reb Shimon, except now it's between Rameir and Reb Shimon ben Yehuda b'shem Reb Shimon, that they asked him, Amar Loi Ma'ushi Yikar v'zeh, and he said the same thing, Amar Lem Hein, Amar Loi, and they asked him the same thing, Yom Kein Yu Shel Yom Kippurim Kreven B'Shel Rish Chodesh, Aval Heil Shel Rish Chodesh Kreven Yom Kippurim L'chaper Kapar Shein Shalah. On Amar Lehem, he holds at the end of the day, Kulam Ba'an L'chaper Al Tumas Mikdash U'Kedoshav, and this they're saying that they're all Mechaper on Tumas Mikdash U'Kedoshav.